You have to make a Oreo mug cake. It takes 2 ingredients. That's an Oreos, milk, Zooey Mama. Then you want to do is squish it. Once you've done it, add an Oreo at the top. And you want to push it down like that to dunk it in. Not to get. Put it in a microwave. And yeah, sort of. And I had to use it all by myself. And then, when you click on, it will cook. Once you're done over here, well, there's one more thing to do. All our milk, just like this. Oh hey, see if this one color to brown? Let's taste it. Very good about this.